Here's how to make a super thick chocolate chip cookie milkshake. Just add vanilla ice cream, cookies and milk to a blender and blend until smooth, and it looks something like this. Pour it into as many glasses as you want and top with a cookie and a wide straw so you can actually drink out of it. Enjoy!